We are pleased to show you the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.